This video will show you how to recover and restore missing media in Davinci Resolve. The first step is to plug in any devices that could hold the missing media, such as SD cards, flash drives, and external hard drives to your computer. Then from whatever page you are in, go to the media page. Once you are on the media page, select all the missing media, in this case it's images. Then right-click on one of the selected items and click on Relink Selected Clips. This will open Finder in macOS or Explorer on a Windows machine. Then browse to where you think the missing media is located. If the clips are found, they will be restored. If not, you will get confirmation that the clips were not found. But when you click Close, you'll be prompted to perform a comprehensive search. Be advised that a comprehensive search could take some time based on the media locations that it has to search. Click on Search to perform the comprehensive search. In my case, it was quick, and as you can see, my image files have been restored. Now if I go back to the Edit page, you'll see only the image files have been restored. The video files are still red. So what you need to do is go back to the media page. Then select Videos. As you can see, the video files are still red. As before, select the missing video files you want to recover. Then right-click on one of them and then click on Relink Selected Clips. I am going to use the same location as before and then click on Open. In this instance, it found the files without performing a comprehensive search. If you now go back to the Edit page, you see that everything is recovered and not red anymore. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.